Good morning, CFR. Guess what? It is No Excuse November. So we are at the beginning of a brand new month, and last month we took a focus on our committed club and getting our 12 classes in per month. And we did that because we know that at least 3 times a week we're going to start to see movement towards the results y'all are looking for. We want to have more energy, be more fit, lose body fat, improve our physical fitness. You have to be in the gym to do that, and that starts to happen at 12 classes per month. So we're focusing in on it for you to help build some motivation and accountability there. Accountability is a big piece of building habits and creating change. It's easy to lose focus. Many of you probably figured that out as you were trying to get to 12, but kind of just lost some ground, got distracted, got pulled into different things throughout the month, and then at the end of the day, didn't make your 12 classes. So what we are doing for No Excuse November is helping you with some tips on how to get ahead of it. So we want to bust excuses, but we also want to be proactive instead of reactive. It is the way that you are going to make it happen this month. We're in a holiday month, so we've got travel, we've got family events. No doubt you have things coming up at work. The kids have events at school, right? We're finishing out our fall season on school sports for the kids. All those things are happening, and that doesn't change the fact that you still want to reach your goals this month. All right, we're not just going to let the goals kind of fall by the side as we get into the holidays. We're going to continue to get after it, and we're going to put our foot on the gas a little bit this month. So what I want you to do today is you're going to get out your calendars, family calendar, work calendar, sports, school. Look at all of the responsibilities that are non-negotiables in your life. Then you are going to figure out how to get your 12 classes in. It might mean that you're a 5 o'clock person and that's your preferred, but if you have a commitment, you might have to come to the 6. That's how you're going to bust that excuse, okay? The classes are there to make it happen, and so you have to get ahead so that you understand what's coming. Once you set the intention, you're going to go into your Zen Planner. You're going to book those classes that you know right now are going to work for you. You're going to sync your Zen Planner calendar to your personal calendar, so then that intention becomes a meeting blocked out on your schedule, so that when you're looking at what is ahead of you for the next day, you see your workout on there. You know it's on there because you want to see results. You know it's on there because other days in the month are not going to work, okay? And so you're more locked in to making that happen. So take that step today, look at your calendars, block out your classes, and let's get after it. We have to be proactive this month. We're going to bust excuses, No Excuse November, and I can't wait to see our committed club grow for this coming month. Have a great week. Take care.